Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to our brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a little simple kind of pixelated border around your 3D text. And yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make your 3D text. Now if you don't know how to do that in Cinema 4D, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description on how you can do it, so you guys can use it. And yeah, you want to just add some textures to it like I did here. So I just added like lights and shit, just little glows. And yeah, I'm gonna be making a full in-depth tutorial on this header alone, so I'll be going over all this shit. And yeah, all you want to do is you just want to group it all together. Control G, Control J, Control E, just like that. I have adjustments as well, so I just group that, Control J, Control E, just to get the actual text together. And I'm gonna hide this. So what you want to do is you want to just drag it down a little bit, kind of make it a bit bigger, like this, bigger below the text, and drag it up a bit, kind of center. Yeah, so what you want to do is you want to go into filter, pixelate, and mosaic. And you want to do about 10 to 15 should be good, and just click OK. And now you want to get your eraser tool, and you just want to, you get this about this size brush, 300, something like that. And you just want to go around the middle and kind of just like erase it a little bit. You want to change the blend mode to lighten, just like that. And yeah, that's literally what all you have to do is just go through the middle like that. And if you want to go a bit down, you can do that. Doesn't really matter. You can do a bit more up, get rid of the top and leave the bottom or some shit like that. But yeah, that's how I did it. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, peace.
Metro Boomin, want some more, nigga.